Hello, good people of YouTube. It's me, Choiboy. I just finished working, so I'm gonna pack my stuff real quick. I kind of packed a bit already. I'm just getting the rest of my things. Okay, so I think I'm ready. So we'll head to the airport. Cheerio. Wow. I think security is like the thing that I get scared of the most. I'm just like, oh, am I supposed to bring it on my carry-on or my chicken? I don't know. Yeah, so I think I got around 20 minutes before my flight boards. So I'm just gonna read a book.
33.
Head over to Queenstown. Let's get my bus card. Wow. So the biggest difference here is that it's slightly colder, but also people are not wearing masks here. It's like so different from Auckland. So I'm gonna take off my mask right now. I'm just gonna head on to my hostel. So we're in central Queenstown right now. My hostel should be pretty nearby actually. I think it's right here. Adventure hostels. Wow! I'm in my hostel, just setting everything up. I just realized that no one really talks to each other here. It's gonna be a tough one. Oh man. Wow. So I am a bit hungry. I mean, we can go for some gelato, but maybe I will go for a Fergbaker. Oh, there's a bit of a line. Fergbaker, the classic. Maybe I'll have a look around other places first. Just a tad cold, so I'm just gonna go back to my hostel and sleep for tomorrow. I still need to know what I'm gonna do for tomorrow. I'll think about it tomorrow or tonight. Later.